This is an interesting look I've got going on here. I'm not really sure what to do about this shirt. I like how I'm thinking about the collar, and the real talk of the party is my hair. Why put on lipstick when you wear a mask? You know, I don't know. But I like to anyway. My finger actually. I just put on some of this balm stuff. Cocoa Kind All Over Moisture Stick. Cool. On another note, I'm so excited that this is the year we're gonna move. I don't know if I've told you yet, but we are. We live in a small place. This place is actually bigger than our old place, and we were like, dang, this is so big. And then you start living in it and you're like, yeah, I guess it's not that big. However, I'm supposed to move this year and I'm so excited. I can't even, I'm like beyond excited. And I don't want to live in a neighborhood personally. I want to have a garden and privacy, and I want to be able to stand on my porch without pants on. And good morning. Just, you know, enjoy a morning. So today, I was thinking that we were gonna sew together because there's this dress that I've been wanting to alter. I got it a couple years ago as a gift, and I don't like the way it fits my body, so I'm gonna try and alter it. However, we're not gonna do that today. We're gonna do that probably in the next video. You and I are going to go to the store today, so we'll go there, and I think I might make bread today. And also, if I'm gonna make bread though, I should probably do that now to get it proofed. I have to be honest with you, I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to making bread. All right, here's my dough. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see it is so cold outside. You know, one thing I feel like I notice as I get older is when my hands are really cold or really dry, they look old. I know I'm not old, but it's like my hands, I'm like, wow, you've aged. Anyway, looking at the time, and I'm pretty sure it's been over an hour because I got a little delayed at home. My blood sugars started dropping, so I had to stop and just sit there and eat when I was ready to walk out the door. So that was great. So do you like this mask? I made it myself. Look, on days that I feel like, you know, like, okay, cool. And then also, chic. Very proud of this one. All right, we're back and it's been over an hour. So let's just see what this dough looks like. I think it's doubled in size. I haven't even put the groceries away yet. Doubled in size, I mean, I guess so. There's a little bubble right there. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Okay. All right. If you've never made your own bread, and you can, even if you have to have it gluten-free, I would still say just try making your own bread. It is so rewarding, and there's really only 4 ingredients that need to go into it. You can add other stuff, but all it is flour, water, salt, some type of sweetener, so either honey or maple syrup, and then a little bit of yeast, and that's all you need to make your own bread. It's really not hard. It definitely takes practice, I think, especially in the kneading department, and making sure that you're not getting, your water temperature is too hot or too cold, and that can be a little finicky. But it is just so rewarding to eat fresh bread that you've made from scratch and use your own hands. So I'm going to have some fresh bread with some delicious homemade almond butter that I made earlier this week. I just take bulk almonds and walnuts, any kind of nut variety that I'm craving, and then I love to take the raw nuts and do a dry roast myself in the oven, and then I just add in a few other things. I washed my hair today and it feels good. Dang, that was a good snack, and I'm going to end the video here. I just wanted to finish off by saying I often, in conversation with any clients I'm working with my holistic nutritionist practice, get asked about gluten, because for a while there, I would say probably in like 2009 maybe, people were very into gluten-free and it was like the cure-all. I do believe that based on the country you live in and where your wheat is grown and processed can make a huge difference. For me, I have found that I don't eat a lot of gluten because I eat a whole foods diet, which means that I'm not eating a lot of processed food. Now, not to say that I am not flexible in my diet based on how I'm feeling that week or anything, but I do occasionally like to enjoy a loaf of bread, and by using a sprouted spelt flour, I've talked about this before in another little bread recipe that I did that doesn't use yeast. It's made in 20 minutes, it's really quick. And I will make that as well on occasion, which uses the sprouted spelt flour. And I like using sprouted flours because, one, sprouting helps our digestive system break things down easier, and then also the fact that spelt flour has a very fragile gluten does make it easier on the digestive tract. Makes me feel better. All right, I'll see you in the next video. We'll probably get out the sewing machine and we're gonna alter some dresses, and maybe by then I'll be able to tell you where we're gonna live. That's exciting, but maybe not. We'll see. I'll see you next time. Bye.